And maybe they'll RMC this?
Yes, I think so. I really think they will. They will. Yeah, and I hope so.
He says it's trash.
Here we go, the roughest wooden coaster. Ready?
Yeah, here we go.
Is yours ready? Is yours ready?
Yeah,
He's in the wheelchair.
This is the best part of the ride. I mean, like, it's kind of like I did a credit. You went downhill and coasted.
The courses.
Oh, yeah.
That was really good. I'll ride it again. It was really, it's not even rough. It's like bouncy.
Yeah, sure.
That wasn't bad. That was good. Was Robin like that? Robin Hood, whatever?
Way better.
This one's way better? Alright. That had so much like ejector air time on it. It was great.
You don't want it there?
No, you need to keep this. That's what Yo said he wants. A single row right there. Come on, I got a queue for this.
Oh my god, it's so long. These people know that they're getting on this beat.
Look at the queue line. I believe it.
Good.
It's so fun. It's like boom, 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 like bouncing. Like.